Hello everyone, it's Dale here with new weekly trading ideas video. Many markets opened on Monday with gap, and I think that this is pretty cool because it presents many new trading opportunities, and also I'm glad that this happened because I can show you this trading strategy that you can trade with when the market opens with a gap. So let's check it out. Today we are going to cover 3 trading ideas. The first one will be on the ES, then we will cover the NQ, and then we'll take a look at the US dollar, Japanese yen. All those trading ideas will be based on this one trading strategy. Alright, so let's check it out. What you see on your screen, that's NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators. This chart on your screen, that's the ES, Futures for Standards and Poor's Index 500. It is a 30-minute time frame, and the level that formed is this one. That's the support at 56.84. It formed when the market opened with a gap. Let me show you. The first thing that you need to see with this kind of strategy is the market needs to open with a gap, like in here, right? Also, what you need to see is heavy volume zone behind the gap, like in here. This is heavy volume zone from Friday, then there was the gap, now the price is moving above that, and now what you want to see is pullback. You want to see the price close the gap, and you know, very often, at least on currencies and on indices, the opening gaps get filled. And this is what the strategy is all about, right? You wait until the gap gets filled, and then you enter from the beginning of that heavy volume zone, and that's where you enter your trade. In this case it is a long, because this was a bullish gap, right? So you wait for the pullback, no trades in here, you wait, and your trade will be from this place after the market has closed the gap and hit the beginning of that heavy volume zone, right? In this case 56.84. Now there's also one cool thing about this level. It is a nice addition that adds strength to the level, and the thing is that if you look at this profile, this is weekly volume profile from the previous week, shows how the volumes were distributed the whole previous week. That means in this whole period. The point of control, meaning the place where the heaviest volumes were traded in the previous week, is right here at our level, right? Let me delete that. This is the point of control, just a little bit below our level. So that adds strength to the level, right? Because when you have a point of control or a strong weekly point of control, like the weekly point of control, and from there the price goes, for example, upwards, like in here, then it often works as a support, and when the price hits that point of control, then the price likes to react to it, right? So I like that about this level because it nicely aligns with the volume profile level, which I showed you earlier. Alright, so that's the support on the ES, and what I'm going to show you now is the NQ, that's the futures for NASDAQ, and the level is very similar. Again, we are looking at 30 minutes chart, and we have this nice opening gap. And if I use the volume profile like this, then it will show us very nice heavy volume zone formed before the gap, right? So there was this heavy volume zone, then there was a gap. Now we wait for the pullback, and when the price goes past this whole area, fills the gap, hits this heavy volume zone, then it is a long from there, all right? The level is 20,150. What we need to do now is just wait for that pullback and then take it from that level. If you look at the weekly profile, and this is pretty cool because this is the same thing as on the ES, a nice confluence. The weekly volume profile from the previous week very clearly shows the weekly point of control, and from that weekly point of control we have that gap. So again, a nice combo of 2 trading setups, the weekly point of control and that heavy volume zone. So again, wait for the pullback, and then when the price reaches this zone, there's that combo. 2 setups are telling you that the price should go up from there. Alright, so I think that's a pretty neat trading opportunity right here. Alright, so that was for the NQ, and let's now check out the US dollar Japanese yen. Again, the setup is very much the same, only in this case we don't have that confluence with weekly volume profile, but still I would say that the setup is a pretty solid one, so even without the weekly point of control combo we can trade this. In here we had the opening gap right here at this place, and if I use the volume profile I can use it over the whole Friday or just that rotation right here, this one. It doesn't really matter, it will always point you to the same heavy volume zone, which is this one, and the level at the beginning of the heavy volume zone is right here, right? So we have a gap, we have a heavy volume zone, the level is at the beginning of that heavy volume zone right here at 145.35, and again the plan is the same. Wait for the pullback, and when the price reaches this level then go long from there. I really like trading this strategy, even though, you know, the gaps are not that common, but if those gaps appear and if we have those heavy volumes behind the gaps, then this strategy has a very good win rate. So yeah, watch out for those levels and let's see how they play out. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, then head over to my website. It is at traderdale.com, and if you click this button, Trading Course and Tools, then it will take you to this page where you can browse my trading education and custom-made indicators. There's the volume profile pack, order flow pack, VWAP pack and smart money pack. You can get them separately in here, or if you scroll down a bit, then here is a combo pack which includes all those packs together for a discounted price. Right? Now, if you guys are interested in trading with me and other prop firm traders in a live trading room, then click this button, FTA, which stands for Funded Trader Academy. It is basically a live trading room where we meet every day, and me and other prop firm traders make sure that you get funded and that you can make trading your main business and source of income. So here's a video where I'll explain everything more in detail, and if you guys are interested, then you just book one-on-one call. In here we'll walk you through the service, show you everything, and then you can decide whether or not this is right for you. Alright? Now, before I wrap the video up, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest were my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators for TradingView platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do next is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video, which I'll publish on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win this set of custom-made indicators. So that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading!